Most coaches burn out way before they ever build sustainable momentum. And honestly, it's 100% preventable. Let me show you why. Give me the next few minutes and I'll show you one tiny visibility shift that helps you protect your energy and finally create growth that actually sticks. And if you want the plug and play toolkit to make it even easier, drop energy below and I'll send you my free Visibility Without Burnout starter kit. Most coaches think burnout happens because they're not doing enough. But truth? Burnout happens because you're giving your energy away without a system to protect it. Imagine a visibility flow that feels like you, fits your real life, and compounds over time. Not more posting daily just to stay relevant. No more ghosting your audience when life gets busy and feeling guilty about it later. You don't need a better funnel right now. You need a visibility rhythm, one that works with your energy, not against it. Here's a simple way to start building visibility without burnout. Step 1. Pick 3 to 5 visibility routes. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose the topics that you love to talk about, not just what you should be talking about and what everyone has been telling you that you need to be talking about. We're talking about the topics that you love to talk about, your root topics. Think about the themes your audience would recognize you for. What do you want to be recognized for? Now you're going to blend those personal roots, like your values, philosophy, with actual practical roots. So like how-to tips, client stories, testimonials. So how this can look, here's some example routes, is you might have your coaching philosophy, but you also have your client stories. You have your core values. You have tips. You have your personal journey. Again, this is not quite the same as content pillars. So we're not doing a content pillars exercise. We're doing actual visibility route. What innately feels like you. I want you to get honest because the reminder here is that your route should feel energizing, not exhausting. This is not doing a social media content marketing exercise of content pillars and we've checked off that box. This is getting honest with yourself because when you do, you start to learn what's most important with your energy and then you're able to protect that. Now, step 2. Once you've done that, I want you to choose 1, maybe 2 platforms. If you're at the scale level, that's a different story. If you are just getting started, if you're finding that you're overwhelmed with your platforms, for the next 90 days, all I'm asking is to focus on 1 of your platforms. I'm guessing you probably have at least your handles in multiple places. Even if you're posting across multiple places, for the next 90 days, just choose that 1 primary place. If you love speaking, maybe this is a place that allows you to do more of that versus a place like X, for example, where it's just text-based posts. If you love writing, maybe you can focus on a platform that allows you to do more posts or more newsletters or more blogs. Pick where you naturally shine, not where you feel pressured to be. So take a moment and write that down. You can always change your mind later, but right now you're just tapping in and tuning into your innate being. So again, focus on 1, maybe 2 max platforms. If you're at scale, reach out. We can talk about something different because it's more important to have rhythm over reach right now. Your reminder for this step is that it's better to show up consistently on 1 platform than it is to be scattered across 5 and then burn yourself out. So if you're feeling guilty about dropping, quote unquote, dropping 1 platform, you're not. You're just putting it down for a second. You're allowing yourself to be present on 1 platform and give to that community. And then you can expand. It's not about not ever expanding. It's just about focusing so that you can really give to your community and to your people. Now, step 3. Once you've done that, I want you to map your content like a garden. Okay, set a simple, repeatable rhythm. So for example, again, this is not content pillars. Would be like, I'm going to have 1 nurture post, I'm going to have 1 visibility post, I'm going to have 1 credibility post per week. I want you to decide what type of posts those look like and just map those out, whatever that looks like for you. If you need support, again, make sure that you download the free downloadable. Think rhythmically, like watering a garden, not launching a rocket. And maybe that might feel better too as you maybe rest 1 social media and you're focusing on 1. You're just watering this garden. You have so many beautiful seeds that are waiting to grow. But you are the gardener and you need to tend to that garden with water, with sun, with presence. So in order for you to have that presence, we need to make sure that we're removing a lot of that resistance. And in order to remove a lot of that resistance, the simplest way is to shift into your innate flow. So during this step, you're going to pick your post types. So here's some examples. Nurture, so like behind the scenes, value stories, about the team, about your processes. You have your visibility. These are your quick tips. These are those really engaging hook style videos that really help to make sure that you're addressing that top of funnel ask that people are wanting, bringing them in, answering those questions that people who are maybe problem aware, maybe solution aware a little bit, that they're wanting to know. But then you have your credibility. This is where the trust really moves forward. This is your client wins. This is your case studies. These are the bold insights. These are your takes that may be polarizing, but actually root and show what your mission, what your vision is. Your credibility is what makes them stay and want to work with you. So remember this: progress, not perfection. Gentle consistency actually does compound to get you the results that you're looking for. So your reminder for this step is that the goal is to not be doing more, it's steady momentum. Visibility becomes sustainable, not overwhelming with this method. You show up with overflow, not obligation. And when you do, your audience actually feels clarity and starts trusting you faster. When my clients start building it from visibility rhythms instead of random posting, they see faster audience growth, but not just faster audience growth, bigger client opportunities without hustle and burnout cycles. If you want my template to set your own visibility rhythm and protect your energy as you grow, just comment energy below and I'll send it right over to you. You're going to love my free starter kit. See you next time.